Somebody recently posted on one of my, I had a video of the Champ I had cut the ailerons into, and they were asking about if I could show how I did that. I thought that I had lost my Champ. I knew my Champ was gone, but I didn't realize that I had kept the wings. So this is the stock wing. I put the little magnets on for the mod so it would just pop off and crash. But I also found my second wing. So I just bought a wing off eBay, I think it was. I just bought a spare wing. And so you can see here on the top that I went ahead and I cut out the elevons on the, these two wings, ailerons on the sides. I cut a little extra instead of just cutting a line, so that way it gives it some gap, and then just folded it on the hinge line. This one you can see a little better. It's movement. And then position the little servos, and this one's linked actually still. Unfortunately, I had a crash in this one. The servo lead, or I guess the lead to the brick, ripped off, so it's shot. This one still has the lead, but I don't have the connecting rod. So, and then you can also see, like this one, I have one of the stock UMX control horns, whereas this one is just a piece of something. So what I did, I just cut a little patch to put the servo down in a little bit, and then you can see I channeled out here for the servo wires. And then I also cut, it looks like a little bevel on the back side of these hinges to give them a little bit of flexibility. The problem, I did try and fly it then when it was still bent, when it still had the dihedral, and it did not work well at all. So I think I saw somebody else on RC groups that had done a video, and they said, or something about it needs to be flat. So all I did was cut out a groove, put some hot glue in there, and then just pushed it flat. And it just flattened it out. The hot glue just held the shape then. So that's all I did to get my wing. I had fun with the Champ with the ailerons, sorry, 4-channel. But unfortunately, my Champ got a little too beat up. It was already too beat up by the time I tried to do this mod, and the foam just couldn't hold out anymore with glue, and being a little small plane it is, you got to keep it lighter weight. So hope that helps out for that person who was asking about it. I'll post this short video up on my YouTube, and hope it helps out. Have a good day.